Well, it's the afternoon, which means that I need a pick-me-up. For me, that is coffee. So I have some of French press coffee that I made in the morning. I saved. I'm gonna add some oat milk. I love Planet Oat. They make the best oat milk. And make myself a beverage. Getting ready to go for a walk outside. Excited to get some fresh air after being inside all day. What a nice day to be out. Passing by a taqueria. Maybe we'll try it one day. Southwest plane.
That's JC.
As you see on a walk. Oh look, there's Jeff. Hey little dog. Sweet potato fries are ready. Ketchup and mustard. What do you like to have with your fries? I like to have a little bit of both. Too bad we don't have fancy sauces like at the Boise, huh?
Like in Belgium?
Like in Belgium or the Boise Fry Company. Ready for the taste test?
I think it'll be good. We've made this one before.
Yeah.
Good fries.
10 out of 10?
Of course. Can't go wrong with sweet potato fries. It's sloppy, all right. People want to see glamour.
Definitely lives up to the Sloppy Joe name. Very tasty. Definitely worth a try if you're making,
Cooking out of cool beans.
Yeah, cooking out of this cookbook, Cool Beans.